Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the basics so the feature works. Check your iPhone 8 is updated to a compatible iOS, then open the camera app. Once done, make sure you're using the rear camera because Portrait is only supported there on iPhone 8 Plus and later. On a standard iPhone 8, you'll use Portrait on compatible models. If you have 8 Plus, tap the mode selector and choose Portrait. This gets you immediately into the correct camera mode to proceed. Now you'll compose the shot. Position your subject roughly 2 to 8 feet from the lens to allow the depth algorithm to work. Once positioned, tap the screen to lock focus on the subject and slide the sun icon to adjust exposure. This helps preserve highlights and shadow detail. Make sure the background isn't too busy, and if lighting is strong, add soft fill light or move to shaded area. These adjustments improve edge detection and give a cleaner portrait blur. Finally, take the photo using the shutter or the volume button for steadier hands and review it immediately. If satisfied, tap Edit to change portrait lighting effects or adjust the blur intensity. This lets you tweak the look after capture. If portrait mode is grayed out or unavailable, make sure distance and lighting are correct, turn off HDR or flip cameras, and restart the camera app. If problems persist, reboot the phone to clear temporary sensor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.